Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about this three-set mixing bowl set. Three-piece mixing bowl set. I just love this thing. I got it about a year ago and I use it all the time. One comes with its own lid, and as you can see, it has a dip mark in here for pouring, and the lid fits right on there. Now, I really like this. When you're doing a lot of baking, a lot of recipes will tell you to put it back in the refrigerator to get hard, and especially when you're dealing with dough, it wants it to get hard again. So this is a great way to put your dough and put anything else that you're working on back in the refrigerator. These have a rubber bottom to them. They're stainless steel and they have a rubber bottom, and that helps them from not skidding when you're trying to, say, use a mixer. Now, they all nest into one another. I can't nest them because I have something in this one, so they're not going to nest in. Now, I don't put my lids or anything in the dishwasher. I have seen other comments where they say the lids don't fit. But as you can see, all of my lids fit, but that's because I don't put them in the dishwasher and subject them to that high heat. This is my dishwasher, so I don't have that opportunity, but I have been using these for well over a year and I just love them. They also have, I don't know if I didn't show you, they also have that rubber on the handle. So now you can put something hot in here if you needed to mix it up, and you would not have a problem with that. These are just great mixing bowls. So if you know somebody that is maybe you have a bridal shower coming up and you need a great gift, this is a perfect gift for somebody that is starting out on their own and they need to supply their kitchen with some baking supplies or cooking as well. But these are a great item. And that is just my honest opinion.